Hi guys, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. Today I'm going to be making one of Jeffrey Morgenthaler's first ever drinks that he created, the Bourbon Renewal. Now essentially it's just a whiskey sour with the sweet component being part sugar syrup and part cassis. The reason he uses cassis is because it's one of the drier berry fruit liqueurs, so it works quite well when you have the other sweet components. Nice and easy drink to make, a few ingredients, shaken and strained over fresh ice. So start off with your cocktail shaker. Today I'm going to use the Boston glass so you can actually see the ingredients as I add them in. And you want to measure out 60 mils, a double shot of Bourbon Whiskey. Today I'm going to be using Maker's Mark. Then next, 15 mils, half a shot of Creme de Cassis. Then 30 mils of fresh lemon juice. 15 mils of 1:1 sugar syrup. Fill your cocktail shaker with ice and give it a good shake. Fill your old-fashioned glass with ice. Strain over the top. And garnish with a lemon wheel. So there you have a riff on a classic whiskey sour, the Bourbon Renewal by Jeffrey Morgenthaler. Cheers. Wow. I really like the addition of the cassis. And for those of you who don't know, cassis is a blackcurrant liqueur. It works really well with the bourbon. Nice and citrusy, a little bit sweet, but all around really tasty drink. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe down here, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.